Think for a second about what they have done, what the Pharisees have just done. They rejected a man healed of blindness because Jesus healed him. How do you get to that point? What's important to you that you make that decision? They reject a man who has been healed because he was healed by Jesus. We've said this a few times, sort of leading up to chapter 9 here. Jesus is a polarizing figure. When people come in contact in the gospel stories, when they come in contact with who Jesus really is, that light sort of turns on and they realize, oh, this is what he is saying about himself and who he is and what it means to believe in him and not in anything else, to abide in his word and not somebody else's. When that happens, he becomes a polarizing figure and the human heart has a decision to make. Jesus always presents himself as the one and only. And then the human heart has to decide. It is either all or nothing with Jesus. Their rejection of Jesus puts them in this really bad moral and intellectual position. It puts them in the position of doing harm to a man because Christ has done him good. It's put them in the position of doing harm to a man because Christ has done him good. Let's put ourselves in the shoes of the formerly blind man again for the second. What will you do when the world casts you out because of what Christ did for you? Who will you choose? Who will you be afraid of? Who will you accept? Who will you reject?